I'm doing my morning run. Okay. It's raining though, and I'm waiting actually for my rice because I'm so hungry and I need to eat my breakfast before I go to bed. So I decided to go for a run. Okay, someday run with me, okay? I'm not alone here. Got a lot of them here with me. Hey, hi. Wala, di sila mulupad. Ginoo, why aren't you moving? Aren't you scared of me? Hi. Hi. I'll be here. I'll be on the other side. Hello, little fellas. Woo! When I was running here like a few days ago, I saw them in the river and I was really wondering if they're dogs. And wow, they're really dogs. Wow, look at them. They're just running away from me. How I wish I could have a close-up look at them. Wow. Bye, dogs. Hi, just finished my run and I'm here sitting on the riverbank relaxing for a while. Before I go back home, I have to sit here a bit and yeah, think about life. My favorite thing to do, just think about life. Nothing more, nothing less, just about life. Tama River is here, look, ta-da! I want to enjoy the silence of the place. It's really quiet here. It's really beautiful. And we have here the river, and see, I can see a hill. My kids used to call the place hill when they were little babies. Mommy, let's go to the hill, let's play there, kind of like that. But actually it's not. There are like condominiums, a lot of condominiums there. Yes, see, I'm alone here. It's a beautiful Tuesday, although it's raining. I really love Tuesdays somehow. Every Tuesday, my heart really beats so fast, and all I wish is just to do whatever I want, enjoy my life, and do everything I can do, like my hobbies and anything. Yes. Wow, a lot of creatures here today. I can see a lot of dogs, a lot of birds, and pigeons, and yeah, jumping fish. Yes. Want to stay with me here together someday? Yes. If you want to be here, just let me know. I'll run with you, okay? Or let's just stay here and sit and talk and laugh a lot, okay? It's raining kind of heavily here, and I think it's not gonna stop so soon, so I think it's time to say goodbye, and I think I need to go home. Bye everyone, enjoy life. Again, don't forget to love and live your life, because life is really beautiful. Take care everyone, and see you next time. Bye. Amping always. God bless everyone. Bye bye. Let's walk for a while here. It's kind of muddy, really muddy here actually. It's raining today. Beautiful Tama River. And it's, wow, so peaceful. Really peaceful. Ta-da! And I'm really alone here. Wow. Or maybe they're just looking at me here and thinking like, wow, crazy girl walking under the rain. Absolutely. Ah, what a happy feeling. Beautiful. Love it. I really love it.